Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting directly to the router with an Ethernet cable and logging into its admin interface using the default gateway IP. Make sure you have the admin username and password ready, and immediately export or save a backup of the current configuration to local storage. Once done, disconnect non-essential devices so you don't accidentally change settings for the wrong machine. This prevents conflicts while you make network modifications and keeps the process deterministic and reversible. You now modify the LAN configuration. Change the router's IP, adjust the subnet mask, or shift the DHCP range to the intended addresses. This is how you move the network to a new addressing plan. If segmenting traffic, configure VLAN and tag the appropriate Ethernet ports so switches and devices carry the right traffic. Also, assign static IPs to printers, servers, and switches prior to rebooting them so those devices keep predictable addresses and avoid DHCP reassignment conflicts. You finish by applying the new configuration and rebooting the router and any managed switches. A controlled restart ensures all settings take effect. Next, verify connectivity from a workstation. Ping the new gateway, test DNS resolution, and browse to an external site to confirm outbound routing. If something fails, restore the saved backup or inspect physical cabling and VLAN tagging. Common issues are misassigned ports or overlapping subnets, so roll back calmly, correct the error, and reapply the adjusted configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.